maayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch, and since malapit na yung Christmas, I'll show you how to make easy chocolate cupcakes na gagawin natin Christmas wreath later. Okay? So for the ingredients, I have here flour, milk, warm milk, and then I have granulated sugar, I have 3 eggs, baking soda, salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, melted butter, and my cocoa powder. Okay? So, before that, mix ko muna si warm milk together with my cocoa powder. Okay? Kasi mas madali siya i-melt pag warm yung... mas madali siya i-mix pag warm yung milk. I don't like my cocoa powder together with my dry ingredients kasi minsan namumuumo siya. Okay? And then, in my big bowl, set aside natin. In my big bowl, mix your dry ingredients. I have here my flour, my baking powder, baking soda, my iodized salt, and my granulated white sugar. Okay? Mix natin to, and then after, i-mix in natin yung liquid ingredients, which is your egg, melted butter, granulated vanilla extract, and my cocoa powder together with my milk. Okay? Mix ko muna. Make sure walang buo-buong matira, okay? One recipe of this will give you 24 cupcakes. Yan. Then, make a well at the center. Lagay mo na si butter first. Butter, melted butter. If namamahalan kayo kay butter, go ahead. You can use vegetable oil. Vanilla extract. Eggs. And my cocoa mixture. I'm using Beryl's cocoa powder, guys. This is masarap na cocoa powder. Then, mix mo lang by hand, okay? So, for Christmas season, kahit wala kayong mixer, wag tamad. Pwede pa rin kayo magnegosyo. Okay? So, you can use this recipe. Until smooth. Yan. Okay? Set aside natin to ha. Tapos, linisin ko lang yung table. Yan, malinis ang aking table, and I have here my cupcake pan, 3 ounces. Fill in natin 3/4 lang, okay? Don't forget 3/4 lang kasi angat pa yan. If you have yung butter dispenser, go ahead, you can use that. If wala, ito. Okay? Okay? And then, bake your cupcake around mga 15 minutes lang. Okay? Check later. Check mo sa oven. If it bounce back, then that's good already. Okay? Bake na yan.
Few moments later.
And guys, after 15 minutes, bake na si cupcake. Okay? Tanggalin natin para mag-cool down siya. Okay? And then, while waiting na mag-cool down, we can whip the cream, okay? I have here bunch, ready to whip to, or you can also use Mona Lisa. It's up to you. For me, mas less yung stress. Basta ready to whip na whipping cream. Okay? And then I have here leaf green na gel. Lagyan ko ng kulay kasi gusto ko green si frosting. Okay. Yan. So, it's whipped already. And then, once the whipped cream is done, choose your piping tip. Okay? I have here 1M and 2D. Pwede kahit saan dyan. Okay? And then, I have here my 12 by 16 na cake board. Tapos, assemble natin siya. Yan ha. Hi, by the way, lagyan mo ulit ng cupcake liner if you want na maging green siya, di ba? Kasi if you notice, chocolate to. So, kahit na may kulay yung liner mo, matatalo ni chocolate. Except if you're using the, yung mga silver. But if you want, you can always, my style is, pagluto na, patong ako ng another liner. If you want. If wala, if ayaw, I mean, that's okay. Okay? So, malamig na siya. And then, I'll be choosing that 2D. Medyo pinastiff ko talaga si whipping cream ha, because I'll be piping sa cupcake. Pag sa cake, medyo medium stiff. Okay? And then, let's pipe going up. Okay? Bet, malamig na. After the whipping cream, we can decorate with sprinkles. And then, I have here candy cane. And then, I have ready-made fondant na nilagyan ng, form ng ribbon. Kailangan talaga siya, guys, dikit-dikit. Okay? Yan, we're done. Our chocolate cupcake, Christmas cupcake. Okay? Na ginawa natin Christmas wreath. Okay? There you go, guys. Very easy to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking! Merry Christmas!